Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace intake camshaft position sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but actually it may be helpful on other engines and other generation Hyundai Tucson as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So, this is guys the 2.4 GDI engine right here. In order to get to the intake camshaft position sensor, we need to remove the upper engine cover. It has 4 rubber bushings that attach, so you need to just grab it firmly and pull it straight up. The moment you pull it up, you're going to see that's the intake side of the engine. This is the exhaust side because that's where the exhaust is. So, intake camshaft will be right here, exhaust camshaft right there. And if you look at it guys, on the intake camshaft, you have that sensor right here. That's the intake camshaft position sensor. Now, very inconvenient to replace, but it's doable. What you need to do, you need to go ahead, press down here, okay, and remove that wire. So now right here we have one bolt with a 10mm guys, okay, 10mm wrench, offset box wrench, okay, might work the best I think, because you can see how it's bent actually. So we're going to try to actually reach it in an angle and see if we can do it that way. So let's go ahead, okay, and see, okay, 10mm right there. Let's see if we can get it loose. All right, perfect. Now once you get it loose a little bit, okay, let me try to hold it, one finger on this side, one on this. Okay, and it's coming loose guys. Now it's inconvenient and careful not to drop that bolt the moment it comes loose, because actually, okay, it's a bolt that you can easily guys, easily drop there. Okay, this is guys the bolt, you can see it like that. So we have it out. Now that sensor may be stuck due to the fact that you have an O-ring that can prevent it from coming loose. So twist it and pull straight out, okay, and it will come out. Make sure the O-ring came with the sensor and it's not stuck there. Later, okay, you need to wipe everything on the inside when you install the new one to make sure, okay, that everything will go in correctly. Lubricate the O-ring and put it in. We have a special video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor guys on a Hyundai. I think it will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out and it will teach you how to do that. If you need to buy one, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.